How to make sure queue is empty before exiting main thread. I have a program that has 2 threads, the main thread and one additional that works on handling jobs from a FIFO queue. Something like this. What I want to accomplish is basically to make sure the queue is emptied before the main thread exits. If I set t.daemon to be true, the program will exit before the queue is emptied. However, if it's set to false, the program will never exit. Is there some way to make sure the thread running the _worker method clears the queue on main thread exit?
The comments touch on using .join, but depending on your use case, using a join may make threading pointless. I assume that your main thread will be doing things other than adding items to the queue, and may be shut down at any point. You just want to ensure that your queue is empty before shutting down is complete. At the end of your main thread, you could add a simple empty check in a loop. If you don't set t.daemon equals true, then the thread will never finish. Setting the thread as a daemon thread will mean that the thread does not cause your program to stay running when the main thread finishes.
Put a special item, for example none, in the queue, that signals the worker thread to stop.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.